my lovely students, hope you are fine. Science Primer 6. Today I'm going to talk about the practical exam. The first question, write the observation and conclusion for each of the following. Number 1. The first activity here for good and bad conductors of heat. Okay. The observation, the bottle fall from the metal spoon. Conclusion, materials are different in conducting heat. Okay. Copper, iron, and aluminum, they are metals and they are all good conductors of heat. Wood, glass, and plastic are bad conductors of heat. Here we have an activity to show the ability of material to conduct heat.
To begin, you're going to take a small glass bowl, and inside you're going to place 3 spoons. 1 spoon that's made of wood, 1 spoon made of metal, and 1 spoon made of plastic. Then, you're going to take a small pat of butter, and you're going to place it on the top of each of the spoons. So once you have the butter on the spoons, you're going to put a bead in the butter on each of the spoons as well. And then after you have the beads and the butters on the spoon, you're going to straighten out the spoons so they're all laying evenly. And now it's time to move to the next step. For the next step, you're going to take some hot and just boiling water and you're going to slowly pour it into the bowl. You want to make sure that the spoons do not fall into the water. Once you have the water in the bowl, we're going to wait and we're going to watch to see what happens.
Okay, the second activity here, metals are different in conducting heat. Okay, the observation, pens fall from copper first, then aluminum, and at the end from iron. Conclusion, metals are different in conducting heat. Copper conducts heat faster than aluminum, and aluminum conducts heat faster than iron. Number 3. Preparation of oxygen in the laboratory. Steps as shown in the figure. Observation. A gas is obtained at the top of the cylinder. Okay, and the gas here is oxygen gas. The conclusion. Hydrogen peroxide dissociate or decompose in the presence of manganese dioxide into oxygen gas and water. Number 4. Preparation of carbon dioxide in the laboratory. Steps as shown in the figure. Observation. Carbon dioxide gas is collected in the tube. Conclusion. Carbon dioxide is produced due to the reaction of diluted hydrochloric acid and calcium carbonate. Here we have another question. Write the structure of each of the following. A. Nerve cell. Number 1, here we have nucleus. Number 2, cytoplasm. Number 3, plasma membrane. Number 4, dendrites. Number 5, axon. Number 6, myelin sheath. Number 7, axon terminals. Here we have a picture for the brain. Number 1, cerebrum. Number 2, cerebellum. Number 3, medulla oblongata. Look at the following sample and write its name and function. Okay, here we have a picture for spring scale. Okay, the function, measuring the weight of a body. Okay, here we have a picture for common balance. Its function, measuring large masses. And here we have sensitive balance. Its function, measure small masses. Here we have the digital balance and its function, measuring mass of an object. And this is medical thermometer, its function, measuring the human body temperature, while this one is Celsius thermometer and its function, measuring the temperature of liquid and weather. Thank you for listening, my students. Have a nice day.